Hey, it's Doug from Doug and Nikki here in the outdoor testing studio, and here underneath my arm is a cool new pool robot cleaner. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to unbox it, talk to you about some of its features, set it up, and then we're going to go outside, clean the pool, see if it actually works. I'll give you Doug's score from 1 to 5, let you know after I get done with it. And then also I do need to tell you this was provided to me to do this review with absolutely no instructions, and if you've seen my channel, I definitely like to say things suck. So it's kind of fun when you get to do that. But in any case, let's check it out and see how it works. A couple things that I want to tell you about it. So it is cordless. It is good for either above ground or below ground. The runtime is supposed to be pretty impressive at about 90 minutes. It has an upgraded motor for the vacuum, so the suction is supposed to be really good. 2 suction inputs, like there are 2 places where it's actually vacuuming from. It comes pre-programmed with a little zigzag course, and when it gets to be either full of debris or it's running low on power, it'll run itself to the side of the pool so that you can pull it out, clean it out, recharge it, whatever you need. Here's the plug, speaking of recharging it, and let me just show you what it looks like. So one thing while I'm taking it out, it only weighs 6 pounds, even with the big enough battery to run a vacuum for 90 minutes. So that's pretty impressive. Oh, it's so fun. It's adorable. It is Ipx8 Waterproof, which means it's perfect for doing a pool. Oh, look how nice it rolls. I wasn't even thinking of that. Let's see what the bottom looks like. You can see there's 2 suction inlets. There's a brush here, which goes in the middle. I think there's only one thing left to do. We need to charge it up and use it in the pool so you can see how it works, and I can give you that report on whether it cleaned my pool or not. All right, let's take it outside and do that. Okay, so I've only run it for about 10 or 15 minutes, which is way shorter than what it should be run, but I wanted to test it, see what was in there. Let's see if I can give you some feedback. Super easy to open it up. You just unclip these 4 clips, move that to the side, pull the filter. Ooh, wow, no way. Either our pool is really dirty, which I know it's not, or this has actually worked really well. Let me just pour out the extra water. I don't know, whoever watches those gold shows on TV, I feel like I'm panning for gold, but look, I'm panning for sand and dirt. I don't know if you could see that in there. It is completely filled with sand and dirt. Wow. Overall, I'm gonna have to give this an absolute 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. I charged it up, put it together, put it in the pool for 10 minutes. I got a ton of sand and random little dirt things. And just so you know, in terms of the program, it will run either until the battery's dead or until this is filled up, and then it'll go to the side of the pool and turn itself off. One thing you need to know when you watch this video, you'll see it went down to the deep end and stopped, because this is not designed for pools where there is a deep end and a shallow end. It won't go back up the hill. So your pool's got to have a flat bottom, either be a smaller flat bottom pool or an above ground pool. Perfect for an above ground pool also. In any case, super simple, works perfectly. Got to give it that full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.